Get your arm behind your back. Now.
I can't breathe.
Do it now.
Please.
Do it now.
I can't breathe.
You are under arrest.
Give the phone. Give the phone. Give the phone to the...
Just a few months ago, this brave British man and British lady apprehended a man who stole a phone from a local supermarket in Britain and was running away with it. Again yesterday, some brave British patriots caught another man who stole a phone and was on his way, running with it already.
Get your arm behind your back. Now.
I can't breathe.
Do it now.
Please.
Do it now.
Excuse me.
There's a Moncler jacket.
Anyone? Wallet? Anyone?
I'll take it. What office for girls?
The man stole in a supermarket and was trying to escape when some brave British patriots caught him. The security man then approached the man and asked him where he got the phone, but the man was unable to explain. These are very disgusting behaviours that should not be practiced in our society. Before we continue, if you've not already subscribed to our channel and ring the bell for upcoming updates. In recent months, the British public has witnessed remarkable acts of bravery that highlight the resilience and courage of ordinary citizens. Just a few months ago, a brave British man and woman intervened when a thief attempted to steal a phone from a local supermarket. Their quick actions not only thwarted the theft, but also showcased the importance of community vigilance in maintaining safety and order. In the first incident, the couple noticed a man swiftly pocketing a phone and making a dash for the exit. Without hesitation, they pursued him, successfully apprehending the thief before he could escape. Their determination and quick thinking exemplified a spirit of community responsibility that is often overlooked in today's fast-paced world. Fast forward to yesterday, and the scene repeated itself. Another man, this time in a different supermarket, attempted to steal a phone. As he fled the scene, a group of vigilant citizens sprang into action. They intercepted the thief and detained him until security arrived. When approached by the security personnel, the thief was unable to provide a reasonable explanation for his actions, further underscoring the reckless nature of his crime. These incidents may seem isolated, but they reflect a growing trend of citizens taking an active role in combating crime. In many communities, there is a palpable sense of responsibility among residents to look out for one another. The actions of these brave individuals not only deter would-be criminals, but also inspire others to stand up against wrongdoing. In a time when headlines are often dominated by stories of violence and despair, these acts of courage serve as a reminder that there is still a strong sense of community spirit. They highlight the importance of collective action in the face of adversity. Citizens who take the initiative to intervene in criminal activities contribute to a safer environment, not just for themselves, but for everyone. Community vigilance plays a critical role in crime prevention. When individuals remain alert and proactive, they can help deter criminal activities before they escalate. The mere presence of engaged citizens can make a significant difference. Thieves often seek out vulnerable targets, and when they encounter a community that stands united against crime, they are less likely to act. Furthermore, these incidents raise important questions about the responsibility of citizens in their communities. How far should one go to intervene in a crime? While the bravery displayed by the British man and woman is commendable, it is essential to consider safety and legal implications. Citizens must weigh the risks involved when deciding to intervene directly in a criminal act. Understanding the motivations behind theft can also provide insight into why these incidents occur. Theft often stems from a range of psychological and socio-economic factors. For some, it may be a desperate attempt to address financial hardship. For others, it could be an impulsive decision driven by thrill-seeking behaviour or a lack of regard for societal norms. Regardless of the underlying reasons, theft is a behaviour that undermines trust within a community. It creates a ripple effect, instilling fear and uncertainty among residents. acts of theft disrupt not only the immediate victims, but the wider community, prompting discussions about safety, security, and the social contract we uphold. While the bravery of citizens in apprehending thieves is commendable, it is also crucial to emphasize the importance of reporting crimes to the appropriate authorities. Engaging law enforcement ensures that crimes are documented and investigated properly. This process is vital for maintaining accurate crime statistics, which can help shape community policing strategies and resource allocation. Reporting crime also enables law enforcement to identify patterns and trends, allowing for more effective prevention measures. Citizens should feel empowered to report suspicious behaviour, regardless of whether an actual crime has occurred. This proactive approach can help create a safer environment for everyone. To foster a culture of safety and responsibility, communities can implement several initiatives. Educational programs that emphasize the importance of vigilance and community involvement can empower residents. Workshops on personal safety, conflict resolution, and crime prevention can equip citizens with the knowledge and skills they need to respond effectively in various situations. Additionally, community watch programs can be established to encourage collaboration between residents and local law enforcement. These programs not only promote safety, but also strengthen the bonds within the community. When residents work together toward a common goal, they cultivate a sense of belonging and shared responsibility. While community vigilance is essential, it is equally important to recognize the role of law enforcement in maintaining public safety. Police officers undergo extensive training to handle criminal situations safely and professionally. Their expertise is crucial, especially in potentially dangerous scenarios. Collaboration between citizens and law enforcement can create a more effective crime prevention strategy. When communities feel supported by their police force, they are more likely to report crimes and engage in proactive vigilance. Building trust between law enforcement and the community is essential for fostering a safe environment. As society continues to evolve, so too do the challenges we face. Technology has changed the landscape of crime, with cyber theft and online scams becoming increasingly prevalent. In this digital age, community vigilance must adapt to address these new threats. Residents need to be aware of the signs of cybercrime and know how to protect themselves online. Moreover, the rise of social media has created new avenues for awareness and communication. Community members can use these platforms to share information about suspicious activities or to organize local safety initiatives. By leveraging technology, communities can enhance their collective vigilance and response to crime. The recent incidents in Britain serve as a powerful reminder of the impact that individual actions can have on community safety. The bravery displayed by ordinary citizens in apprehending thieves is commendable and reflects a strong sense of responsibility. However, it is essential for communities to come together to foster a culture of vigilance and support. As we move forward, let us encourage one another to be aware of our surroundings, report suspicious activities, and work collaboratively to build safer neighbourhoods. By doing so, we not only protect ourselves, but also contribute to a stronger, more resilient society. Together, we can create an environment where theft and crime are not tolerated, and where every citizen feels empowered to stand up for what is right.